So we save up all our allowance and then come to the store, and this is what we get.
This is a great way for the kids to learn about finance, budgeting, and being able to get what they want when they want.
And I'm getting a skateboard, and look at this rad design on it.
I got 230 bullets and I need a new Nerf gun.